So I use some fat-free Parmesan cheese, 1 medium grated zucchini, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon rosemary, the zest of 1 lemon. I used a whole chicken, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So first I'm just going to sprinkle my zucchini with a little bit of salt. That's going to help pull out the excess water. So you're just going to go ahead and give that a good mix and just let it sit for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and make the olive oil mixture. Need about 3 tablespoons of the olive oil. And to that, you're just going to add in all your spices and give it a good mix. So once your zucchini has been sitting for about 5 minutes, you're going to notice that it released a bit of water. So just take a paper towel and pat it dry. Try to get as much of the moisture out as possible, and then transfer the zucchini into a prepping bowl. To the zucchini, you can go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese. Then go ahead and add about half of the olive oil mixture and mix it well with the zucchini. Then go ahead and spray your baking tray with some cooking spray. Now we're going to just transfer the chicken into the tray and begin stuffing. You're going to need to separate the skin of the chicken without actually removing it. Just be very careful when you do that, because if you create holes in the skin, the stuffing is just going to leak out and burn while it's cooking. Then go ahead, just use the skin as a pocket. I use my other hand to pat down the stuffing. That way I got a nice even coating. Then you're going to take the olive oil mixture from before and marinate the outside of the chicken. Make sure you give the bottom of the chicken a nice rub as well. By this time your oven should be ready, so go ahead and pop the tray in the oven at 375 for about 1 hour. For the side, I just cut up 2 medium potatoes into cubes. You can dice up your potatoes to whatever size you prefer. Once you're done, go ahead and transfer the potatoes to a prepping bowl. Finally, you're going to take the remainder of your olive oil mixture and coat the potatoes. Once you're done, go ahead and transfer your potatoes into a baking tray and bake it alongside the chicken until nice and golden brown. I did it for about an hour and I was fine. I love potatoes. Carbs. I really hope you enjoyed this meal, and I hope your date decided to stay with you. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching.